Hi guys, in this video, I will tell you all information about Tesla phone, so let's move directly into the video. Tesla is well known for their interesting technologies and innovative features in it, but today we will talk about Tesla phone, its launch data, features, price, how many countries it will going to launch. Before moving to video, I will tell at end of the video that is this all are rumors or real, so watch till end. So let's begin with one of the interesting feature. Neuralink first product will control smartphone with brain implanted, means that any user of the mobile can control by brain. Who needs a touchscreen when you've got your mind? This product is going to be very interesting and it will be one of the great technology of all time, but it can take a lot of time because, for using the device, a chip should have to install in human brain. Tesla is also manufactured solar panels, and there is possibilities that Tesla phone will work on solar charging. Nowadays mobile have really a good cameras, but Tesla phone can come up with SpaceX feature to take great photos of astronomical objects. I want to tell you that, until now there is no official confirmation by Tesla or Elon Musk, so this all are just a prediction, so if any kind of official confirmation come, we will discuss all the things. Like this video, share it, and for more content subscribe to channel. Thanks for watching.